Hey guys, it's Ann. I just redid my kitchen and I want to give you the long version. There is a short version, so check out on another link on YouTube. But if you want to see how I did it and watch my thought processes, this is the video for you. All right, let's start by evaluating this space. Frankly, it's just cluttered. It just looks stupid. There's too many glasses. I don't like the blue bowl. It's just not working for me anymore. And the seashells, why on earth do I still have seashells up there? And this is just boring me. Ugh. I got some decluttering to do, man. Here we go. All right, here's what I did in a blink of an eye and why. Started with the fresh baked bread sign. Love it. Put the pumpkins underneath it for a fall charm. That was my inspiration for the rest of the kitchen. Since baked bread seemed such a fall, cozy winter thing, I decided that the whole kitchen needed to spring off of that and feel kind of like a bakery. So this is what I'm doing. So I got the 2 pumpkins and the sign at a craft fair. And the sweet oil jar I got at Michael's this season. It was 60% off in the little French section. I was very excited. I filled it with little pumpkins and I think it looks great. All right, I kept that cool scale I got at Michael's last year on sale with a pumpkin on top. And then I've got those 2 sacks that I picked up at Target in the dollar section. The rooster was left to me in the house, and I picked up that cute little tin quite a few years ago that I'm really loving, the pie tin. My daughter gave me the New Hampshire maple syrup sign. I bought maple syrup to use last week, and I just thought it just worked all on the top there. And then I threw that lantern back up. That was already there, but I thought I'd throw it up too. So that's kind of how the top half is staying for a few minutes. And then I got that hayride pumpkin thing at Target, the little pumpkin and the towel at Target, the rose water again at Michael's, and then the spice jars are part of my groceries. And this is a family heirloom that I got from my grandparents. I remember seeing that cookie jar in their kitchen. And then a few milk bottles from local milk places. We actually stayed there for a few years, lived there, so that's kind of fun. And apples, a guide to apples, that was again at Target, and it really fits because I have all these apple trees in my yard, and I've been picking apples and making applesauce, and it just kind of works for my fall ideals. Here, of course, I have plates because this is my kitchen, and I do need to eat. And finally, I have that keeping room sign and 3 crocks to finish the whole scene off. So it's all working for me so far. Yep, really loving it. On to the next part. Or not. Looks like I have to make a change yet.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.